Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play Good Vibrations by the Beach Boys on 4-string electric bass guitar. We're going to be featuring some tasty riffs from Kaye. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's what our first bass line will sound like. I'm using a medium guitar pick to get a picked bass sound, and I'm going to move up to fret 13 on the D string and 15 on the G string and bounce back and forth between those two like this. So that was 15, 13, back to 15. Then I'll go to the D string and I'll play 13, 15, 16. So that's I'll move down to fret 11 on the D string and 13 on the G string and play. So that was 13, 11, back to 13, and then back to the D string, 11, 13, and 15. So that's next, I'll move down to fret 9, and I did the same exact movement. I'm starting at 11 on the G string, 11, 9 on the D string, and back, and then on the D string, 9, 11, 13. We'll move down by 1 fret and do the same thing from fret 8 to 10. And on the D string, that was 8, 10, 12. So here's the entire thing once more. Now the next bass line will be similar, but will end differently. We'll play it the same way we played the first one at first. Stop there, and then move down to fret 6 on the E string and play. So for that, we went to fret 6 on the E string, fret 5 on the A string, fret 8, fret 9 on the D string, 8, 6, and then back to 9 on the A string, and 8. Here it is again. Then we'll move on to the chorus. For the chorus, we'll play one bass line, but we'll move that bass line up the neck of the guitar, and it'll sound like this. So for that one, we're going to go to fret 2 on the E string, fret 4 on the D string, down to fret 2, fret 1, fret 4 on the A string, fret 4 on the E string, fret 2 on the A string, and then back to fret 4. So that's we'll move that bass line up to fret 4, or starting at fret 4, and we'll play this. We'll move it again by 2 frets and play this. Then we'll start that set of progressions over again. Next is the bridge, and for the bridge we'll go to fret 6 on the E string, and we'll simply play this. For the next part, we'll go down to fret 1 on the E string and play 2, 3, 4, fret 3 on the A string. We'll do that twice. 3, 4. And then at fret 3 we'll go, and then we'll start playing that. Those loving good vibrations are happening with her. Then we'll go back to fret 1 and stay there for a little while. Now next, for the ending verse progression, we'll play everything in reverse. We'll go up to fret 6 and we'll work our way down the neck playing this. Move to fret 4. fret 2. Then we'll go to 2, 4, 6, 4, and rest. We'll end the song playing our main riff at fret 4. And that, my friends, is how I play Good Vibrations by the Beach Boys on 4-string electric bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.